Are you stuck trying to figure out which AI model is the best fit for your needs? Today we're diving into the ultimate AI showdown, DeepSeek R1 versus OpenAI o3-mini. These two reasoning powerhouses are designed to tackle complex tasks, but which one does it better? In this video, we'll uncover their key differences, surprising strengths, and critical weaknesses. Whether you're after lightning-fast performance, cost-effective solutions, or rock-solid safety, stick around because the answer might just save you time, money, and effort on your next big project. But how do these AI titans actually work? Let's crack open their code and reveal the secrets within. DeepSeek R1 flexes a massive 671 billion parameter mixture of experts architecture. Only 37 billion parameters activate per task. Like assembling a dream team of specialists, the right experts jump in for each challenge. R1 also uses reinforcement learning, constantly verifying and refining its reasoning. OpenAI's o3-mini uses a dense transformer architecture with around 200 billion parameters. Every parameter fires on all cylinders, ensuring rock-solid reliability across the board. The key takeaway? DeepSeek R1 is a razor-sharp specialist, while o3-mini is a dependable all-purpose tool. Which AI is a Usain Bolt of reasoning models? The answer might shock you. R1 crushes long-distance tasks, processing 312 tokens per second while sipping energy 1.9 tokens per joule. Think marathon runner. The o3-mini boasts blazing fast cold starts, 1.8 seconds, and a lighter memory footprint. Think sprinter. For lightning-fast reactions, o3-mini wins the gold. For heavy workloads, R1 goes the distance. Can you unleash AI power without emptying your wallet? R1 offers lower API costs, potentially 50% less, a cost-saving champion at scale. The o3-mini spreads access through free and paid tiers, opening the door to wider audiences. R1 unlocks budget-friendly power at scale, while o3-mini democratizes AI access. What advanced tools do these models offer? Which will supercharge your projects? With DeepSeek R1, think advanced debugging, contextual code completion, and automated refactoring, a software engineer's dream. The o3-mini delivers ready-to-use function calling, structured outputs, and seamless IDE integration. For complex problem-solving, DeepSeek shines. For out-of-the-box usability, OpenAI dominates. In a world of AI risks, which model provides a safety net? R1 self-verifies through reinforcement learning, but lacks robust safety guardrails. OpenAI o3-mini prioritizes unwavering safety with strict policy violation detection. For unmatched safety and ethical alignment, OpenAI o3-mini takes the crown. Is AI power locked behind a technical wall, or is it readily available? R1 requires serious hardware to deploy effectively. Power comes at a price. o3-mini offers wider access across free, paid tiers, a friendly entry point for all. For universal access, OpenAI wins since DeepSeek demands serious resources. So let's break it down. Based on our analysis, who wins in each of the following major categories? For efficiency, we have DeepSeek R1. For self-verification, we also have DeepSeek R1. But for speed, the o3-mini takes the trophy on this one. For cost effectiveness, we also have the o3-mini. For the advanced features, we'll give it a draw. But for safety, OpenAI o3-mini takes the trophy. And for accessibility, the o3-mini dominates here as well. Overall, OpenAI o3-mini is the better choice for most tasks. And now, we've reached the moment of truth, the final verdict. Choose DeepSeek R1 for maximum efficiency and advanced debugging on massive projects. Choose OpenAI o3-mini for speed, safety, accessibility, and user-friendly development. The superior all-around choice for most users. Remember, the best AI is the one that solves your specific challenges, so choose wisely. Now it's your turn. Team DeepSeek or Team OpenAI? Drop your choice in the comments below, and smash that like button if this video cleared the AI fog, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing tech breakdowns. See you in the next video.